Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get zombie fish in Terraria. First, you'll need to find or create a graveyard biome, which is crucial for this unique catch. Make sure you have a sturdy fishing pole and plenty of bait ready. Also, be prepared for some spooky encounters, as the graveyard biome attracts various undead foes. Staying alert will help you succeed in your quest for this rare aquatic creature. If you don't have a natural graveyard, you can easily create one. Simply place at least 5 tombstones close together in any area. These tombstones will transform the surrounding environment into a graveyard biome, characterized by a foggy, desaturated look. This eerie setting is absolutely necessary, as zombie fish will only appear in these specific conditions. More tombstones can intensify the effect. Once your graveyard biome is established, find a body of water within it. You can use any fishing pole and bait you have on hand. Cast your line into the water and wait for a bite. Remember, zombie fish are considered a rare catch, so it might take some patience and multiple attempts. Keep an eye on your bobber and reel in quickly when you see it dip. After successfully catching a zombie fish, you can use it in a few ways. It's primarily a quest fish for the angler NPC, but it can also be crafted into a seafood dinner, which provides useful buffs. Additionally, some players use it as bait for other, more powerful fish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals to enhance your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.